Oh my god, super yobo.
See? Ini main. So bagus. Wow. Easy, right?
Ante.
We are going to make kimbap. Actually, we don't know what to eat tonight. It's dinner time, and we're thinking, why don't we make kimbap? So here, our kimbap is not like totally Korean style. This is what we have at home. I already prepared some Japanese cucumber, right?
Yeah.
And then carrot, and then spinach, and some shrimp. Ini ada sesame sauce, and then ada apa ini?
Ini sistem awalnya.
Oh, and I also already prepared egg. Aku sudah memasak
Yeah.
itu. Ini so easy to make. Just fry. And some rice. And the rice that we use is this one. Ini special for kimbap, right? Well, what about we do kimbap challenge? Let's go, let's make some kimbap. Give me rice.
How much?
Actually,
I'll give like
okay. So let's just make your own rice. I will make my own rice. Because you don't want to put some salt, right?
Yeah.
Ini my rice, and I want to put a little bit of salt. Need salt. Need salt. How much? I don't know. I think just a pinch of salt. Very pinch. And I also want to put some salt. Are you sure we put some oil in this rice?
I'm not sure.
Enggak, we're supposed to put this one. Vinegar.
I don't know exactly.
Aduh.
It's just my feeling.
Tidak.
Yeah, because I didn't watch YouTube how to cooking a
No.
kimbap.
I will put a little bit of vinegar.
Me, not me.
Okay guys, whoever you are, and if you don't trust us, just watch. Let's see who's the winner.
So, how can they know who is winner? Where is our guest? Who
Just
can-
based on the look.
Enggak.
So whoever will choose Dongyeon, then type his name in the comment section below. Okay, now I'm going to put my rice in the cutie. In the nori.
Sweet.
Like this. Don't follow me.
I don't know how.
Just do your style.
Okay. I'll do my style.
Actually, I don't trust my style. I don't trust Dongyeon's style. Can you see? It's so thick. It's supposed to be nothing.
It's my style.
Okay, it's your style.
여보, usually ugly one is more than
No, we never know. Even ugly one, people don't even want to try. Oh, it's okay.
What do you not sell? Just we can do.
Yeah, but I don't want to eat if it's not delicious. Yabo, from all the food I cooking, what is the most favorite?
I love your all of it.
Boom.
Sure.
Bohong 여러분. Ini ya.
똥파닝 baby.
Oh. Ini egg, I put egg. And then I wanna put more of vegetable. Ini more vegetables. Ibu, ini tidak dimasak?
여기.
Ini tidak dimasak ya 여러분, karena ini sudah. Can I smell? I think need to cook a little bit because ini
Bye-bye.
Ini sudah. Then I wanna put some ini apa nih? Spinach.
Yeah, spinach. Our tuna.
Spinach. Okay. Dan aku mau a little bit more of ini.
여보가 이거 레시피냐?
Coba aku nggak mau use tuna first.
How was it my Kimbab?
Come on. Ini we need to make a video of the clothes and look. Wow.
I think mine is better.
Oh, mine is so much better.
Okay, ayo.
Ini 여러분, ini mine. You see? Ta-da! Can you see? Dongyeon have, Dongyeon one. It's a lot of price. You see, camera? Ini mine. Ta-da!
No, but in the middle, so lah.
Hey. Now we need to know if we can cut or not. So easy, right?
안돼.
Nih, ini your kimbab. Ah, ini your kimbab.
여보.
You see, ini my kimbab, very pretty.
여보, put inside. So a lot of tuna, mine.
Yeah, but it failed.
See?
They go fail. I will try mine. I will try mine. So come on, let's try mine first.
여보, can I try yours? And you first try mine.
Come on. Ini beda tuna ya? Already super good. 어떡해. 어떡해. 잠깐만, 어떡해. 됐나?
야.
다 됐어?
그냥 맛있어. 맛있어. 이거. 오케이.
You want more?
I admit.
You admit?
Feed me.
Even without tuna, 여러분.